Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how you can make your fruits or vegetables or like plants become more expensive and grow a garden. So the only thing, well, not the only thing, okay, the first thing is you'll need to grow bigger plants. It doesn't have to necessarily be the biggest one. Like as you can see here, this is the example. So this burning bud is way bigger than this pine cone, but this pine cone is worth more for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it's worth more. I think it's because it has the rainbow mutation on it. I think that's a little bit more rare. So if it has the rainbow or the actually this one has a gold one, but maybe the rainbow one is rarer than the gold one. I'm not sure. Or maybe the giant pine cone is like a rarer plant. It becomes more expensive. So the bigger the plant, well, it doesn't have to necessarily be bigger, but it has to be a big plant. The way to achieve this is to just by kind of like adding sprinklers to it. So when you try to grow fruits, you're just going to basically add in a bunch of sprinklers, like the advanced one and the godly one. You can even add the basic, just add a lot of sprinklers around it. Sorry, I'm trying to like talk properly, but I can't. So you're going to want to do that. And then the other tip that I have for you is obviously don't harvest it before it gets a lot of mutations. Now you're going to want to be AFK in this game a lot. As you can see, right now it's like raining, so it has like a 50% grow speed and a higher wet food chance. It's like a mutation that can get to your plant. Unfortunately, you can't really direct it to your plant, but if you can buy like mutation sprays, you can make it worth a little bit more. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I think those are the only tips that I have so far, and just play around this game and like make sure you're here for events, because the admin does give a lot when there's like updates. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.